The scientific study of human behavior and mental processes is called. Correct answer. C. Psychology. The father of modern psychology is. Correct answer. B. Wundt. Learning by doing was proposed. Correct answer. C. John Dewey. Trial and error theory was given by. Correct answer. B. Thorndike. Insight learning theory was proposed by. Correct answer. C. Kohler. Conditioned reflex experiment was done by. Correct answer. A. Pavlov. Operant conditioning was given by. Correct answer. B. Skinner. Child is the center of education was said by. Correct answer. B. Pestalozzi. Gestalt means. Correct answer. C. Whole. IQ is equal to MACA times 100 was proposed by. Correct answer. B. Stern. Learning is a permanent change in behavior defined by. Correct answer. C. Crow and Crow. Playway method was developed by. Correct answer. A. Froebel. Constructivism theory was proposed by. Correct answer. B. Piaget. Social constructivism was developed by. Correct answer. A. Vygotsky. Zone of proximal development ZPD was proposed by. Correct answer. C. Vygotsky. Moral development theory was given by. Correct answer. B. Kohlberg. Cognitive development theory was proposed by. Correct answer. A. Piaget. Learning by imitation was studied by. Correct answer. C. Bandura. Law of effect was proposed by. Correct answer. A. Thorndike. Hierarchy of needs theory was given by. Correct answer A. Maslow. Ego, ID, superego are parts of personality according to. Correct answer B. Freud. Learning curve shows. Correct answer A. The rate of learning. Educational psychology is a branch of. Introspection method means. Correct answer B. Observing one's own mental state. The first psychology laboratory was established in. Correct answer C. Leipzig. The term educational psychology mainly focuses on. Correct answer B. Behavior of students in educational settings. The conditioned reflex theory was proposed by. Correct answer A. Pavlov. The law of readiness was proposed by. Correct answer A. Thorndike. The law of exercise was given by. Correct answer A. Thorndike. The law of effect explains that. Correct answer B. Satisfying responses are repeated. Operant conditioning focuses on. Correct answer A. Reinforcement. Learning by observation is also known as. Correct answer B. Social learning. Motivation means. Correct answer B. Desire or drive to act. Memory means. Correct answer B. Retaining and recalling past. The stages of memory are. Correct answer A. Encoding, storage, retrieval. Forgetting curve was given by. Correct answer B. Ebbinghaus. IQ stands for. Correct answer B. Intelligence quotient. The average IQ score for a normal person is. Correct answer C. 100. Children with IQ above 130 are called. Correct answer B. Gifted children. Backward children are those who. Correct answer. B. Learn slowly due to low IQ. Aptitude means. Correct answer. B. Inborn potential or ability. Attitude refers to. Correct answer. B. A mental state of feeling towards something. Adjustment means. Correct answer. B. Adapting to environment and circumstances. Emotion means. Correct answer. B. Feeling or affective experience. The best stage for developing habits is. Correct answer. B. Childhood. Motivation is of how many types? Correct answer. B. 2. Intrinsic motivation arises from. Correct answer. B. Inner satisfaction and interest. Extrinsic motivation is based on. Correct answer. B. External rewards or pressures. Learning curve represents. Correct answer. A. Learning progress over time. The playway method of learning emphasizes. Correct answer. B. Learning through play activities. Child-centered education was advocated by. Correct answer. A. Rousseau. Learning by imitation theory was proposed by. Correct answer. B. Bandura. Egocentric speech was studied by. Correct answer. B. Vygotsky. Zone of proximal development, ZPD, refers to. Correct answer. B. Distance between what a learner can do independently and with guidance. Moral development theory was given by. Correct answer. B. Kohlberg. Cognitive development theory was proposed by. Correct answer. A. Piaget. Insight learning was proposed by. Correct answer. A. Kohler. Trial and error learning was given by. Correct answer. A. Thorndike. Reinforcement strengthens. Correct answer B. Learning behavior. Positive reinforcement increases the chance of. Correct answer B. Repeating a desired response. Negative reinforcement helps too. Correct answer B. Avoid unpleasant stimuli. Punishment should be used. Correct answer B. Occasionally. Transfer of learning means. Correct answer B. Influence of one learning on another. Positive transfer occurs when. Correct answer A. Old learning helps new learning. Negative transfer occurs when. Correct answer B. Old learning interferes with new learning. Zero transfer means. Correct answer A. No influence between two learning tasks. The father of behaviorism is. Correct answer B. Watson. Stimulus response (SR) theory was proposed by. Correct answer B. Watson. Gestalt psychology originated in. Correct answer A. Germany. Constructivism emphasizes. Correct answer B. Building knowledge through experiences. Activity-based learning promotes. Correct answer B. Learning through doing. Project method was introduced by. Correct answer A. Kilpatrick. Discovery learning was proposed by. Correct answer A. Bruner. Heuristic method was proposed by. Correct answer A. H. E. Armstrong. Playway method was developed by. Correct answer A. Froebel. The project method is based on the principle of. Correct answer B. Learning by doing. The demonstration method is mainly used for. Correct answer B. Science subjects. The discussion method helps students to develop. Correct answer C. Thinking and reasoning skills. The lecture method is mainly. Correct answer B. Teacher-centered. The heuristic method emphasizes. Correct answer A. Independent discovery. The problem-solving method was developed by. Correct answer A. John Dewey. The programmed learning method was developed by. Correct answer B. Skinner. Micro-teaching aims to. Correct answer B. Train teachers in specific teaching skills. Simulated teaching refers to. Correct answer B. Artificial classroom environment for practice. Team teaching means. Correct answer A. Two or more teachers teaching together. Remedial teaching is meant for. Correct answer B. Backward or slow learners. Diagnostic test helps to. Correct answer A. Identify a student's weaknesses. Formative evaluation is conducted. Correct answer B. During the learning process. Summative evaluation is conducted. Correct answer C. At the end of a term or course. Continuous and comprehensive evaluation CCE means. Correct answer B. Evaluating all aspects of a learner continuously. Feedback helps in. Correct answer B. Improving learning outcomes. Interest in learning increases. Correct answer C. Student participation and understanding. Habit formation depends mainly on. Correct answer A. Repetition and practice. Learning by observation was explained by. Correct answer A. Bandura. Fatigue means. Correct answer C. Tiredness caused by overwork. Rest is important for learning because. Correct answer B. It refreshes memory and mind. Discipline in education means. Correct answer B. Following a code of conduct. Motivation is necessary because. Correct answer B. It encourages active learning. Interest and attention are. Correct answer. C. Closely related mental processes. Educational psychology is the study of. Correct answer. B. Human behavior in educational context.